We're gonna have a real Filipino party. Look at this sunny day, guys. We're off to Murray Bridge, but I gotta pump up the tires first, because here in Australia, like I said before, when I did this at night last time, you gotta do it yourself. So we'll go to 26. Start with this front tire. The back left is the one that's the flattest, but syempre naman, you gotta check all of them.
Good afternoon sa inyo. So today is weekend. Saturday, katapusan na September 30. Oh, guys. It's a sports car. Wow. Ano ba? May nadaanan kaming bit-bit ay sports car. So anyway, papunta kami ngayon sa Murray Bridge. Ano siya, 1 hour away from our place. Na-invite kami ng sister ni Dr. Rafran, yung dentist, sa kanilang farm. I-bless daw yung bagong tayong farm, and it's celebration of her birthday ng nakaraan. So, late celebration tayo. Sinabay nila dito sa pagtapos ata ng kanilang bagong tayong farm. Kasama din natin sila Alvi, nauuna sila, naka-convoy tayo. Tapos as you can see, tulog na si Mimi. Dahil kagabi guys, Diyos ko, nakailang gising na naman siya. Dahil kahapon, maghapon siyang napagod pero hindi siya nag-nap. So yun yung downside nun. Talagang paggabi, ano siya, yung pagising-gising at umiiyak. Para bang nananaginip, napagod siya. Hindi siya masyadong nakatulog. Kaya ngayon, bagsak na siya. Anyway, pagdating namin dun, sigurado naman akong gising na to. Tapos guys, tignan niyo yung kamay niya. Suot niya yung gift sa kanya ng kanyang ninong Albi na Amira bracelet. Tulog ang bata. Tulog. So ayan, balitaan namin kayo. Ang balita ko nga, nagluto daw sila ng lechon at maraming seafood. So tignan natin guys kung ano ang aabutan natin doon. See ya! Ayan na, nandito na kami.
Oh, so old school, look at got the old school house there.
Is he in the house?
Yeah, ayun no.
Is that them there?
I think so. Ayun si Doktora.
It's a full-on party.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, kasi parang birthday ni ate.
I mean, see, the good thing about living in the country, babe, you can be as loud as you want. Because nobody's gonna hear you.
Sanay tayo sa ganun, babe. Galing tayong Pilipinas. Tulog pa si Mimi. Trailer.
They're gonna have karaoke and everything going on.
That's the farmhouse. Yay!
And guys, so we made it to the farm. Look at this, we got the old school buildings here. We're gonna have a real Filipino party. Is it karaoke or it's a band?
The band and the karaoke.
Wow, we got a band. So that's the beauty of living here in the countryside. No one can complain about noise. So what's up, what's up? So we're ready to party.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure.
Oh, look at this cool little spot over here. What's that?
I see that away.
Oh, it's like a
arcade.
oh, so like a mini
wedding.
arcade.
I saw the
I
wedding.
don't know if you can see it.
I already saw the wedding.
So we're just coming here to the house.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't.
Hi guys! Ito, nandito na kami sa bahay. Nakauwi na kami from Murray Bridge. Duman kami ng Handorf. Nag-dessert pa kami ng konti. And now, I'm working kasi katapusan ngayon, September 30. So, kailangan pakutahin yung mga host. Tulungan sila kung ilan pa yung kulang. Magtutulungan kami kasi hindi pa rin ako quota para dun sa goal ko. Si King, dito na rin. Tapos nakain niya na yung iba naming take-out na food. Ay, babe, kailangan i-ref pala to ng iba. Tapos ano din ako, take-out ako ng kakanin para sa aking mother-in-law kasi paborito niya yung biko tsaka kasava. So, ayan. Si Mimi, medyo hyper pa, pero pagod to. So, sana maaga siya matulog ngayon. Kaya, ito na, mag-work na tayo. Hi guys! Nako, ang sarap ng buong araw namin, ano? Isipin nyo, nag-drive kami. Hindi naman siya masyadong long drive, pero kasi yung 1 hour dito, malayo na yun. So, gusto namin yan kasi yung drive din, smooth, dire-diretso lang, maganda yung daan. Tapos pagdating pa namin doon, nagulat kami kasi ang daming pagkain, as in OA talaga sa dami ng pagkain. Kasi naman pala, marami din palang bisita. So, na-meet natin syempre yung mga Pilipinong taga Murray Bridge. Lagi nila kasing sinasabi na ang dami-dami nating mga Pilipino doon. So, I'm so happy and grateful na nakilala ko sila. At sana magkaroon kami ng chance din talaga na makalibot pa doon. Kasi malaki daw yung area na yun. Kaya maraming Pilipino na nandun. Tapos, ano pa ba yung ginawa namin? Kaya gusto ko lang mag-thank you kay Ate Beck. Congratulations sa iyong farm, sa bahay. And of course, happy birthday na rin. Belated happy birthday sa iyo. I love you, Ate Beck. Mahal ka namin ng family ko. And salamat din sa mga pasyaron. Alam nyo na guys kung ano yung mga pasyaron. Diyos ko, hindi na namin kailangan magluto. And Daddy, ano pa yung ginawa natin today? Babe? Ano pa yung ginawa natin?
We went to Handorf.
Ayun, nagpunta rin kami sa Handorf. So napuntahan namin yung lugar na nag-dessert kami. First time namin doon. Ang daming tao kapag gabi. Kasi usually nagpupunta kami doon ng umaga. Ang dami at ang ganda. Sobrang romantic nung lugar na yun. Ano siya, definitely babalikan namin yun ni Andy kapag may chance. Na kaming dalawa lang. Pangalan niya House. H-O-W-S. So yung mga taga Adelaide dito na gusto niyo mapuntahan yun. Okay na okay yung lugar. Masarap ang kape. Talagang dilat ka. Hindi. Tsaka masarap yung dessert. Yun lang guys. Yun lang. Pero, di ba? Productive. Kaya naman guys, i-end ko na ang vlog. I-end ko na ang vlog for today. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nanood. And pasensya na kayo kung nainggit kayo sa mga pagkain. Kaya naman, till tomorrow mga zoos. Bye!